Welcome on our Green Pixel review. You can find our in-depth review article in the description. Green Pixel provides an unlimited number of revisions when you purchase a package. They offer graphic design and Webflow editing services. Green Pixel can provide more than 80 different design request types, except motion graphics, 3D modeling, heavily custom illustrations, content writing and any frameworks. The core plan costs €389 per month. The Pro plan is €879 per month and gives you presentation decks plus logo plus landing design. The Webflow plan costs €1,999 per month and gives you Webflow designs and development. Green Pixel provides high-quality designs with a wide scope of designs. In addition, they offer the possibility to create Webflow designs, to develop and maintain your Webflow sites. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe and like the video.